Unlocking the meaning of weigh upon. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to another episode of English Made Simple. Today, we're diving into the depths of English phrases to uncover the meaning and use of the phrase, weigh upon. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what this phrase means but also how to use it in your daily conversations. So, let's get started. When something weighs upon you, it's like carrying a heavy burden, but not in your hands, in your mind or on your emotions. Imagine you have a backpack full of rocks. It's hard to walk around with it, right? Now, imagine the backpack is invisible, and the rocks are worries, guilt, or responsibilities. That's what it feels like when something weighs upon you. Examples in sentences. The responsibility of caring for her younger siblings heavily weighed upon her. The secret he kept weighed upon him more each day. We can use weigh upon in both literal and figurative senses, although the literal use is less common nowadays. Literal use. In the past, the phrase was more frequently used to describe physical pressure or force exerted on something. For example, the heavy snowfall weighed upon the roof. Figurative use. In modern language, it is more often used in a metaphorical sense, describing emotional or mental pressure. There are a few phrases that carry a similar meaning to weigh upon. These include weigh on one's mind, bear a burden, feel the weight of something. Using these phrases interchangeably can enrich your vocabulary and help you express the nuance of your feelings with greater precision. I hope this video has lightened the linguistic load and not weighed too heavily upon your learning journey. Remember, understanding phrases like weigh upon can add depth to your English conversations and help you express complex emotions. Keep practicing, and you'll master the art of English communication in no time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.